Alright, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons and also click on the notification button to be the first to see any of my videos I post on how to use the Selar platform. Alright, let's get started. Today we're going to be having a look at how to actually access your course on Selar. To do this, just go ahead, get your browser, and as usual I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. So just go ahead and type selar.com. Don't forget, Selar used to be selar.co, but it has been upgraded to selar.com. So you type selar.com and it will bring you to the home page where you have the option to click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Alright, so this hamburger icon is the 3 dashes at the top right corner. Click on it, and as you do so, you scroll down to select login. Now, having selected login, you have the option to log in. Sorry, my account is already logged in. Let me log out so I can actually log in officially for you to see. So here you have this page where you have to log in. So I'm going to log in officially to the Selar platform. So I'll choose, I'll type in my email, and I'm going to provide the password to this email on the account. All right, and this is going to log me in successfully to my Selar account. And once you log in, you're going to have your dashboard, your affiliate dashboard. So you can see this hamburger icon at the top right corner, which is the 3 dashes. Click on it, and as I click on it, you can see my name right there, Jonathan Arthur, and this is my affiliate platform, all right, to the Selar network. All right, so from here, you can actually choose where you have affiliate profile written. There's a drop down arrow. Click on the drop down arrow and change this option to customer profile. Change this option to customer profile. Now, when you change this option to customer profile, you're going to have the course that you purchased indicated right down here, which is the product you bought. The product is down here, and the product is Kodams. Okay, your product is Kodams. So it could be any other product, all right? It could be any other product, but in this case, the product I have here is Kodams, which is Comprehensive Online Digital and Affiliate Marketing Secrets by Jonathan Arthur. All right, so you click on the name Kodams. And this would give you access to the Kodams course. Okay, the Kodams course which you purchased on the Selar platform. All right, so from here you can see we have access course. We have access course, and we have leave a review. So for you to access the course itself, you click on access course, and when you are done going to the course, all you need to do is come back and click on leave a review. So you submit, you select the number of stars you want to give, and then you also leave a comment. So let's leave a comment. We can say this is, so for instance, you can leave whichever comment you want to actually put there. So I can say this is the best training product or the best training course I have come across on affiliate marketing. The best and well structured training, training course I have come across. So let's go ahead and say come across on affiliate marketing. All right, so whatever review you want to leave, you can just go ahead and compose your review after you have selected the option to leave a review, and you write your comment over there. Right, you write your comment. All right, so let's just go ahead and submit this review, for example. So it's submitted. It says thanks for your review. You click on close, and then you can also come back and then select access course. Okay, access course. So having clicked on access course, you will see it says course curriculum, and you have 0/22, which means you have 22 videos to go through over there, and you are yet to start your course. So here you have view PDF. So there's a PDF document on this course, and then we have the overview as well as the course curriculum. So from the overview, you can see you also have the option to comment, all right, to write a comment. And then we have other comments by other students that actually already have had access to this course. And you can see they have left their comments. So we have Miriam. Miriam says, this course exceeded my expectations. Everything about this course is knowledgeable and the content was well structured and easy to follow. Great job, Coach TM. And we have Mr. Jean. He says, this is one of the greatest evolution on affiliate marketing. Great work, Coach TM. All right. So these are some comments that have already been dropped by other students that have already started using this course. Okay. So you can see we have course curriculum. You click on course curriculum and this will give you access to the course. So now you can see the course has been structured in modules. The course has been structured in modules. So you have module 1, module 2, module 3, and then we have Facebook ads, and then we have how to do your graphic design and website design. All right, so here you can see module 1 talks about fundamentals of Codams. Module 2 talks about things you need to know about affiliate marketing. Module 3 talks about sales and sales closing. All right, and then you have various lessons on Facebook ads and how to do your graphic design and website design. So under each of these modules, we have different sections. So you can see section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, and under module 2 also has different sections, which is a continuation of the sections. It says section 5, section 6, 7, and then under module 3, we have the continuations of the sections. All right, so you can see with whatever course that you purchase on Selar, this is how you go about assessing your course. So from each of the course, if the course is a video, you click on it and you have the video or the section, the video for that tutorial come up, and you go ahead and play the video. All right, and you can leave a comment for that particular lesson as well. You can leave a comment for that particular lesson as well. When you are done, you go back. All right, when you are done, you go back to your course curriculum and select any of the other lessons you actually want to go through. Once you are done going through all the lessons, you are going to see your course curriculum giving you 22 out of 22, and to give you 100%. Now, don't forget that you have to complete your course to actually master what this course intends to teach you and the secrets to how to become a successful affiliate marketer, so you can make good earn good commissions through affiliate marketing. Thank you for staying tuned or going through this video with me, and see you on the next session on the continuous series of how to use a Selar network.